Hello, today we are going to solve one question from WBCS Mains General Studies Paper 3. So let's see what is in this question. Who was the propounder of the Ajivaka sect? We are given four options. We need to find the correct one. The correct answer is Makhali Gosala. Okay, but we do not just answer this question. We discuss some details about this. Makhali Gosala prominently propounded Ajivaka sect. Makhali Gosala prominently propounded Ajivaka sect. He taught the doctrine of inaction, taught the doctrine of inaction as a solution to prevent the formation of karma, as a solution to prevent the formation of karma. Okay, which is central to the Ajivaka sect. The Ajivakas belonged to an ancient Indian sect. The Ajivaka belongs to an ancient Indian sect of naked wandering ascetics. Okay, who believed in karma. They were a popular sect during the reign of Bindusara. They were a popular sect during the reign of Bindusara, the Mauryan Empire. He and his wife were said to be followers of this section, and the sect is also mentioned in the edicts of Asoka. He and his wife were said to be followers of this section, and the sect is also mentioned in the edicts of Ashoka. Okay, so we have successfully answered this question and give a small discussion about what is Makkali Gosala, who is Makkali Gosala, and what is the Ajivaka sect. Okay, what was the Ajivaka sect? So that's all for today. Thank you very much.